To finish this off, we simply pick whatever points we want and solve for b. Okay? I have a slope, but I still don't have a b value. Okay, and you're going to need that, and you'll see why here in a second. I chose to use the 90. 90, this scenario here. 90 is equal to 25 times 2 plus b. Solve for b and you get 40. Right? Okay? Now, we still need to solve for how much he charged, which is the missing output. Now that I have a b value, I can solve for that missing output. Okay? So I have the m value, I have the b value, and I have 8 as my input, okay, which is your x. So it looks like this. Output, which is how much we pay, equals 25, which is the slope. We solved for slope, times the x value, 8 hours worth of work, plus the b value, which is what we ascertained from solving. After you do all that, you find out that the output is 240. Okay? So an 8-hour job, because of that, becomes $240. Okay? The same exact type of scenario is 14. Only number 14 has you doing 2 different versions. You're going to create it and set it up just like this. But for letter A, they give you a x value, an input value. And for letter B, another pair of terms, or another set of another ordered pair, they give you an output of 80. Okay, so just kind of for food for thought, I'm going to get you started on 14 here just a little bit. I'm not going to give you too much. Okay, I'm going to give you x, and I'm going to give you y based on what they've shared for us. The average grade for a student that spends an hour studying, so he inputs an hour, he gets a 76. They also found that somebody who studies 3 hours gets an 88. Okay? So the result, the grade, is equal to mx plus b, x being hours studying. Okay, the change in the hours studying plus b. Okay, b is a constant in this case, just like the other one. So they want you to find out what the average grade would have been for a guy studying 4 hours. And they want you to also find out how many hours of studying are required to get an 80. Okay? My first step, I think, was to find slope. My second step was then to use some points and find a b value. Then my third step was to use the slope and the b value and whatever I had in my missing pieces to solve for the other part. Okay? That's what you're going to do here. Tomorrow, you're not doing the mixed, by the way.